Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be a random vlog because I just want to film. I feel like I haven't been able to do anything. I freaking burned my hand, and I mean right now it's feeling better. I burned it today and I could touch it now and I can go like this. I can bend it. But my freaking comal or my stove is not working right? So I put my comal to roast some tomatoes because I was gonna make some salsa, and my dumbass, I don't know what the heck I was thinking. I went like this on the pan, literally like this, when I could go like this to touch it or sprinkle some water, and I burned myself. Oh my god. Right when I touched it, I started jumping. I wanted to cry, but little man was in class. But I just wanted to vlog on my phone because I finally I'm able to vlog on my phone because I have space. I was able to put so much footage from my phone to my computer since I got a new computer, guys. I will show you. But I want to dye my hair. I'm gonna try to dye my hair. I'm gonna put a glove here so I can do it. I think I can do it, but I need a touch up. So I haven't freaking colored my hair in years, I think. And I'm gonna try this one. I usually use John Frieda, but this one by Revlon, it's not bad. I love Revlon, and this one is in color dark brown. I don't want to go darker than what I have, so hopefully this lights it up. If not, then it's just going to look newer. And I do have some grays which look silver, so that's gonna cover that, and it's gonna look just nice and alive and healthy. But then I want to try this. I think I tried something like this years ago. This one by Garnier, which is the Nutrice Balayage Lightening Cream in Icing Swirl. So I don't know. Look at the back. I definitely don't want my hair to look like that, like reddish. So I'm gonna try a strand. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. It says right there, if you leave it on for 30 minutes, it's like lighter than this one. This one's like more orangey. Oh, that one's ugly. So I'm gonna try that because I mean, look at that. I'm sure that's not what they use for this models. I already know like how this whole beauty industry works, which I will tell you. But so enough talking. I'm gonna go color my hair using this one first, and then I'll do a strand test using the Garnier, and we'll see. Wish me luck. All right, you guys, so I part my hair, all ugly, but I parted, and I already shake this. I'm gonna shake it more. I shouldn't even be showing you guys this because this is like so basic, right? Just to give you guys some content. I put my shirt, old shirt or whatever, and I feel like I have not done this in a while. There's no going back. I bought two just in case I mess up the wannabe highlights. Thankfully it doesn't stink. Looking more busted than anything, and my makeup's already messing up. But have you guys read that it says do not rub this mixture into your scalp? I was like freaking rubbing into my scalp, but I think one bottle would do good. I am thinking of putting it on my, oh my god, I'm rubbing it. I am thinking of putting it on my brows. I have done that before and nothing happens, but I did my brows really poorly just for the video so I can have better brows for you guys. But I have a lot of product left. Oh, and I got it all on me. I don't know if I have alcohol. I usually use alcohol to remove everything. It works so good. It looks dark. It looks so dark. Okay, you guys, so I did on my brows too, and I'm gonna leave that for 10 minutes. I have no alcohol, but we all have some hand sanitizer, so I took whatever I had on my face, I removed it. Telling you, alcohol works really, really good. So I'll be coming back and show you guys the outcome, so stay tuned. Okay, so my brows did not work because obviously I had makeup on my brows, so I'm redoing my brows and I'm gonna leave them on again for 10 minutes. So hopefully this time they look a little bit darker. So this is the outcome, you guys. It's definitely dark. It does not look like hers. My natural hair looks like hers. I wanted it like that, so next time I'm gonna grab like a 20. Lily, this girl, it just looks clean, brand new, healthy, and I'm gonna try this one out. I'm scared. I watched so many videos, so I have to freaking watch it again to think. But you can't see my grays no more, and some of my dandruff like went away. So I'll be back, hopefully, maybe, if I don't, you know, quit. You guys, how cute is she? She was crying for me to carry her and baby her. Huh, I'm here debating and watching more videos if I should do that to my hair. Which I shouldn't, because I have another box. You know, if I mess up, I have another box where I can go back to this bruja color. Oh my god. Okay, I'll be back. Just want to show you guys her. It's late already and I look more busted. So I didn't film it, but I did like little strands. I grabbed some of the product, I put it on the end, I saturated the end, and then I like brought it up. How do you say it? I forgot that word, but teased it. I teased it all the way up, but I don't know. I don't think it's gonna come out. My hair is too dark, but we'll see. I'm all messed up. I'm gonna go try and wash the dishes. Okay, bye. You guys, this is the final outcome. All right, you guys, so this is the final outcome. I swear I spent so many freaking hours doing it. I'm not as satisfied as I wish I was, but I am going to go over it again so it can go lighter. I have a different box, so I'm debating whether to use the same box, get some stuff from Sally's, or try a different brand. But I will let you guys know. I will keep you guys updated, but it does not look bad. It looks nice and blended, as you guys can see. The first piece, you can tell, it's just right here. And you can see it like right here, the dent, you know, that means that it was not blended. So I could blend this by putting more brown that I started with. That's how you'll blend it. I don't even know, but I'm guessing, you know, thinking makeup wise, that's how you'll blend it. But other than that, it came out so pretty. It came out like caramel, little highlights, nothing too crazy. I think it's perfect for the summer, perfect for spring. Let me turn around so you guys can see. I just did my makeup, by the way. Make sure you guys check it out on Instagram. But this is how it looks from the back. Don't mind the trash, you guys. I need to clean. But look it from the back. I think it looks so pretty. I can't tell where I need to add more, like more over here. I did add more on this side, I think, or vice versa. But other than that, it is so pretty. But I do want to go light. I'm gonna put two pictures right here so you guys can see the type of look that I'm going for, because I know I cannot like go fully like blonde because my hair is too dark. But I love it, you guys. It looks so pretty, doesn't it? I feel like it makes me look a little bit tanner, even though I'm like stuck potato. I didn't even explain to you guys why I spent so long, because in the box it says if it does not look like the way that you want it, keep on trying. So I didn't know how, so I washed my hair, I dried my hair, my whole hair, girl. I washed it, I dried it, and I applied the product again and waited 25 minutes. And then I dried it again and it was not coming out, so I did it again. The whole thing, I washed and dried, and then I came out to this. So I think I did it 3 times. I had enough more product to do it again. But I'm like, like I was scared that my hair was gonna freaking fry or anything. I was scared that my hair was literally gonna fall. There were so many strands falling, but that is just like how naturally my hair freaking falls, I guess. But I'm like, I'm gonna fry my hair. So other than that, my hair feels so good. Like it feels like new. It doesn't even feel fried or anything damaged or nothing, because I did bleach it, girl. So yeah, I'm sorry that I did not film step by step because, girl, this was like my first time. This was like, yeah, literally my first time doing it because I did it once that I just did the tips, but this time I like went full on my hair. And all I did seriously was part my hair in 3. So I did the bottom, and then I did the middle, and then I did the top. So I started with the bottom, as you guys can tell right here, which I messed up. But all I did was saturate my hair with my finger, the tip, and then all the way up, I would tease it so it can blend really good. So right here, it didn't blend, but other than that, that's what I did throughout my hair. And I grabbed small pieces. I didn't want to do it with the brush that it came with. I didn't want to like big old chunks. I don't like the way that looks. I like the way like little lucecitas. That's how my mom calls it. But definitely I will go over it right here. I feel like it's like a little bit brassy or orange, but it doesn't look bad on me. So I will keep you guys updated. Thank you guys so much for watching. I was not going to post this, but I'm like, I already wasted a whole freaking day filming this. So might as well post it because it's content for you guys. And I will get to look back and see what I did because I do like it, you know, but I want to go lighter. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and also comment down below. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up because that really helps me out. Like, my channel needs all the love right now. So make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me your comments down below. And by the way, I'm filming on my phone, so I hope the quality is good. See you guys later. Bye-bye.